Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm doing this the second time. I didn't really like the other video, so I took that down, but it's pretty much my intro and my EDC gear and what I carry for work and out of work, casual days on the weekends and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's check out what I usually have on me every day for work, which is obviously my wallet. Simple wallet. Got a little money clip in there. Some stuff for cards. Cheap, not too bad. It works. And one thing you notice is I do tend to buy more of the budget-friendly gear because that's what my bank account allows me to do. So, yeah. Next up is the watch. It is a Galaxy Samsung watch. I've had this for a long time. It's pretty much the first generation, and it's yeah, very dirty, but I like it. It does what I need. And I always carry a Zippo lighter on me, even though I do not smoke, but it's nice to have that, and they're cool. Next up is the fixed blade, which I can't remember where I got this from, but it's got a decent sheath, nice little clip that came with it. I do prefer the taco style clips or sheaths, but it is a blade that's in 14C28N. It's got a nice handle on it. I like it. It's kind of smooth but contoured, so feels good in the hand, and it is very slicey. It's a good blade, and that definitely wasn't that much at all. Next up is a sheath that I carry on the hip. It has the Olight O-Pen Mini. It's like a bolt action type pen. Writes really nice. I like it. Small and compact. And then I have the Through Night Saber. Not exactly sure how many lumens it is, but I want to say between 500 and 700 lumens. Definitely a nice light. Still, it's got some size to it. It's not too small. I do have others, but this fits in the sheath very well. And then cheap knife. It's got a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter on it. I think I'm pretty sure it's D2 steel, but it's assisted. It is by Havenhurst. It feels good in the hand. It's kind of a large knife. I do wear an XL glove. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but yeah, definitely pretty sharp as well, pointy. Decent knife. And then the multi-tool is a Bayberry. Definitely affordable, nice. Does what you need it to do. It's got the replaceable cutters on there, diamond file, all that. It's got scissors, saws, screwdriver, the typical stuff that a multi-tool should have. But definitely affordable, really nice to have. That is the work carry. And now I'll show you just a few things that I carry for outside of work. Alright, so for the items I carry outside of work, which is pretty much on weekends or days off. But, like I said, I always carry a Zippo. I like this one. You find these at Walmart. And this one I recently found a couple weeks ago. Not too much. And obviously I'll carry my wallet and all that. But this is another flashlight by Ace Beam. I like this one because it starts off in a low setting, very dim setting, and then you flicker through like three different other modes. But yeah, I really like that. And I want to say it is got a rechargeable battery in it. Yep. Just like the other flashlight, it's got the reversible pocket clip. You put it on the hat, or when you're working on stuff, if need be. And this is the usual watch that I'll carry, is a Casio. Nothing too special, but still like it. I like the color. And for the pocket knives, I've been kind of going between the Spyderco Tenacious here. Nice size. Got the liner lock, and the infamous thumb hole with the FRN handles. Nice blade. It's an 8CR. Yeah, I like it. Pocket clip's reversible in many different ways, 4 different ways to be exact. Yeah, definitely a nice knife. And the other one is the Kaiser. This is the Mini Roach. It is in 154 cm. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Feels really good in the hand. A nice finger choil, some good jimping. And it is not reversible, so right hand only. But very fidgety. It's got 3 different ways of deployment. And it's so easy to release that blade. Yeah, I like this a lot. Nice action. But really good blade. Now for the firearm, since it's summertime, or pretty much the end of the summer, I carry mostly, I have others, but I've been carrying this because of how compact it is. It is in a Kydex sheath with the claw, side claw. I really like this, how it brings it into your waist more. It hugs it against your body. Really like that, so it's less printing. But it is the Canik Mete MC9. And I do carry the Hornady hollow points. And yeah, I put a little grip tape on there. Got the Olight Valkyrie on there. And I got the Otter from Zulisi. Definitely a nice budget red dot. Works well. And not too much else on there. It varies nicely compact for tighter clothing, t-shirts and all that. And I do carry a spare mag, which has got the pinky extension on there. I hate when my pinky falls off, so I like having that extension. So this extension also came and put that on there. Gotta have that extension. But yeah, that is the summertime carry. Alright, well that pretty much wraps that up. Hope you enjoyed that. Summertime carry, carry, EDC gear, or whatever. But yeah, it's the first video for this channel. I have a bunch of other stuff, knives and firearms and whatnot, so if you want to see that, consider subscribing. Let me know what you think, and I'll get some more videos out. Take care.